Okay, we'll start by putting the power and data connectors back on the hard drive. We'll slide the pins in, snap it down into place. And there seems to be enough sticky material on the drive sensor. We can reuse that. Make sure this is stuck down tight to the drive, otherwise you'll get a beeping at startup and you'll have to start all over. Okay, I've lifted the LCD panel back into place and I'm going to reconnect the sensor. Okay, and the wire needs to be routed around the fan housing. There. Now I'm going to connect the 4 connectors on the underside, but I'm going to have to reposition. Okay, reconnect the 2 connectors at the top right corner. Okay, those are connected. Move on to the other 2 connectors. Okay. All right, and then we'll have to, once we get this repositioned, we'll reconnect this connector to the logic board. Reposition the LCD, tucked all the wires away, and the connector to the logic board is in place. I'm going to go ahead and attach that with the 2 torque screws. Okay, and our sensor is in. Doesn't look like anything else is in the way. So we'll start attaching the Torx T8 screws to hold down the LCD. ready to lift the front bezel into place. You have to remember to connect the eyesight wires here. Okay. I've got the connector pulling the wire through. You have to make sure that this does not get pinched. It's kind of tricky. Okay, everything looks well aligned. And now we're going to go about replacing 12 screws that hold the front bezel to the frame. The 4 longer screws go at the bottom. Shorter ones, 2 on each side and 4 at the top. Okay, now we're going to replace the ram door. It's easiest like this. Okay. I'm going to get some compressed air and shoot off the LCD in the inside of the glass, and we should be ready to put her back in place. There we go. Now that we've got everything back together, let's plug her in and see what happens.